Now it's time to make the table. Select a color that will show up really well on your floor. Place the fishbowl where it hangs off the top just a little bit and put a dot on either side of the fishbowl and make that same smirky smile that we did when we drew the fishbowl. Now add a frown on top, just like we did before. For the legs, we're going to draw a very simple letter H. Make the legs line part all the way down, almost to the bottom of the paper. And then go back and add a double line right next to the one that you made, but leave it wide enough so that you can cut this out. You'll have to cut very carefully. This is another tabletop idea. The same procedure. Put the little dots on either side of the fishbowl. Draw a smiley, smirky smile with a frown on top. Now we're going to make kind of like a letter J, and then a fish hook, and then a line in the middle. And go back and make this line double by tracing next to it, leaving it thick enough that you're able to cut this out. This one's even more difficult to cut out because of the curve. You'll have to cut very carefully. This is the last example for a tabletop. The same, put the dots on either side of the fishbowl, make the smirky smile with a frown on top. And this one's called a mushroom table base, and you make two curved lines and then that same smirky smile at the bottom, and then cut. Now it's time to have a little fun. We're going to make a poster or a window that you can add into your room. If you're making a poster, be careful not to put something in it that has a copyright, like a Pokemon character or something like that. Something that belongs to somebody else. You don't want to put that in your picture. You want it to be original. So I'm drawing a sun and some flowers. And you can use marker and your twistables and your crayons, but you have to do all the coloring first. You have to get it all colored, and then we will do a frame. To make the frame, you select a color. Black works with all of them, but you can select a color, place it on top, and then cut, leaving a little bit of that black showing all the way around your picture. See how you can see it all the way around? Now take the poster, the part you colored, flip it over, put glue on the back. You don't need a lot, just scribble glue and place it back on top of the frame. And now it's ready to place into your room. This is our finished room. You're ready to sign your paper down near the leg of the table with a Sharpie marker. Print it neatly. You only need to add your first name. Congratulations, you finished.